In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go private on x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you want more control over who can see your post, this is one of the easiest settings to change, and it can make a big difference for your privacy. Whether you're trying to keep your tweets more personal, reduce public visibility, or simply make your account more secure, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, log into your X account and look at the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find most of the important account controls. From there, click on More. Once you open the More menu, you'll see additional settings and options. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where X keeps your account preferences, security options, and privacy controls all in one place. After that, go to Privacy and Safety. This is the area you need if you want to manage who can interact with your account and how your content is seen. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for the option labeled Audience, Media, and Tagging. On some accounts, it may appear as Audience and Tagging, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. Click into that menu and you'll see the privacy setting you need. Find the option called Protect Your Posts and toggle it on. Once this setting is enabled, your account becomes private, which means only people you approve can see your posts. This is the key step that changes your content from public to private. After you turn it on, X may ask you to confirm the change, so make sure you review any prompt before continuing. Once it's enabled, your future posts will be protected and hidden from the public timeline. That means new visitors won't be able to see your posts unless you approve them as followers. If you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same section and turn the option off. It's also a good idea to review your other privacy settings while you're here, including tagging, media visibility, and account discoverability, so you can make sure your profile is set up the way you want. And that's it. You've now made your X account private. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a full guide on securing your X account even further.